Hey guys, Chad from Donley Ford of Mount Vernon here. Today I thought I'd do something a little fun, a little goofy. So I'm going to take a turn showing you guys this vehicle as each one of my co-workers, Jim, Miguel, and Gabe. At the end of the video, if you could go back and watch some of the other videos and tell me how good I was, that'd be greatly appreciated. So here in a second, we'll start off as Jim Casebolt. Hey guys, Jim here, Donley Ford. Let me get out of the camera real quick. So yeah, we have a very nice 2019 Ford Mustang. Old couple owned it, very low mileage. So just come on up and check it out. Hey guys, Miguel from Donley Ford of Mount Vernon here, and I have a really cool call for you today. But before we get to there, I want to tell you about my dogs, which are awesome. I hope you're a dog person too. I want to tell you about my life from 6th to 9th grade. Also, this is the Mustang GT 5.0. That means the liter, the engine's 5 liters. Crazy. It has 8,000 miles. So I hope you come up, see me, be my friend. Hey guys, Gabe from Donley Ford of Mount Vernon here. And today I'm here to show you our 2019 Ford Mustang GT. This has 460 horsepower, 420 foot-pound of torque, and you can get to 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. It's a super fast, enjoyable summer car. So if you want to come up, see my arm sleeve tattoos, hear how I was once a corrections officer, then come up and discover the Donley difference.